What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't been here before, go ahead and hit subscribe and like the video. Let's just jump right into it. Basically, we're working on the mini motor again. So we've got the mini motor torn apart. We got it back from the machine shop, and we're going through and just making sure that the specs and everything are within spec for this motor. Everything looks like it's gonna work out fine. Only one spot is half a thousandths different than the rest of them, but either way, we're going ahead and we're cleaning everything up, and then we're going to put the crankshaft back in, and then we're going to finally move forward. So as you can see, we have everything over here, but that's a quick little update, and then I'm gonna hit you guys with a time lapse, and then I'll continue building it. Don't know how much farther I'm going to get today because I don't have the rest of my camera equipment and stuff to make the video, but either way, I'll keep you guys updated and show you guys through as much of the process as I can. So stay tuned. All right, so as you guys just saw, we bolted down the main studs. They are torqued down to 50 foot-pounds. All 10 of them are. The crank still finally spins freely, which is a good sign. Obviously, we're running into a bunch of issues with that. So next up is building the pistons and connecting rods, and then doing all the oil rings and everything, and throwing it into the engine block and getting it bolted down to the crank. I'm not sure when that will all get done, but hopefully in the next few days or something, while we have some free time in the shop. So yeah, that's just a quick update on what we did. Now, let's move on to the rest of it. What's going on, guys? Let's basically pick this up where we left off, and it was a few days ago, but either way, I can give you guys a quick rundown on what we did. So, what we did is, obviously, we got the bottom end completely assembled, so it's bolted together. Crank is in there, it spins good, which is obviously the main problem we had. Then we have our rods from Need for Speed with our bolts that we finally found, and then we are going into doing the rings and pistons, obviously, to assemble the whole bottom end. So let's jump into that real quick. Basically, what this box is a ring filer, because these are the specs our rings need to be: top ring, second ring, and then the third ring. So that's what this is. I'm gonna open this up real quick, and then we're gonna jump into the rest of it. So let's get into that real quick. Alright, so that's how piston ring filer all assembled and everything. So let's get everything out of this box, and we will get to figuring this stuff out. So this is the spec sheet. That'll tell me all my information. Tells me what everything needs to be set at. So then this is obviously the installation. It's a CP pistons that look really good, by the way. So let's do this. So yeah, as you can see, they look super good. Gotta figure out which way they go in the motor. Other than that, we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to doing this, and then I'll be done. So, cool.